just got home from Christmas shopping. The first thing I did was take my scarf off. And Billy, it's a new scarf, so Billy's never seen it, and he grabbed it. He was dragging the thing. He was gonna bring it outside for a walk. I guess it's pretty dark in here. All I've got though for light is the flashing. Oh, I don't know how to fix that. I don't know if I did ask an electrician once about the flashing lights, but it was this strange electrician visit. So I'm home now, and I thought I would go to Granville to get some cheese. I love going there for that, but my thing just died. All right. Instead, I'm going to be busy here. I have to make up some cards, so it's sort of like having to stop at the Elf's shop for a few minutes. I love this Shelburne Falls Roasters. They're good coffee. Colombian Supremo, Realization of Dreams. Nice cold water from the car. I had to bring the water in. It's gonna freeze out there. I had to bring my weed. I just discovered this about I've smoked this in a previous video, but I just discovered after that his hat comes off, and you could put a stash in there. And I thought to myself, oh, I probably wouldn't use that. You know, I don't put a stash aside usually, but I put some in there just in case, and then put his hat on. And like an hour later, I actually needed it. Some dab in there. And then I said, oh yeah, I put that little stash in there. Took it out, added it. It's actually very cool. So, and then usually the hat is easy to put on, but maybe it's getting sticky. But I have to use a box and put it together. It's got a little rip in the bottom. I might be able to find a better box than this. So that's the kind of thing I have to do. Like look for the right stuff to put together, all the stuff together. Oops. I do have to run downstairs, so that's what we'll do next. Plants down there. Actually, tonight I may have to prep 2 3-gallons, or wait, 3 3-gallons, because I do still have that tomato. And so I'll get to you guys. I know I already got the cat food out, so I'm doing it. Oh, did I set the coffee to go? I was not singing today, nor talking, I don't think, but I somehow lost my voice a little bit. It's going. Changing pitch. Let's see how long it goes. Oh, good. I've got the pots that I'm going to be needing already set out. Cool. I think I was gonna maybe put them in the washing machine or wash them somehow. In the summer I can do a good hosing on them and then put them in the machine here, but there's too much dirt in them for a winter washing. Got a handy glove. I think that's a lefty one though, huh? Is it? Yeah. Let's get the rake one here, claw rake, maybe handheld, I don't know. What do you call these things? This looks good, I guess. I'm gonna have to fill those. Oof, I'm getting a little bit of, I might have to cover my face. Ah, I'm wearing a turtleneck, perfect. What's this? Oh yeah. Okay. I feel so lucky. Just that this year is going so smoothly so far in the plants. Let's see. Okay, watering. I'm looking. Okay, this one is the one outside. So it's either throw it out or put it in a pot. Maybe just keep it just like this. I think I have to keep it like this. There's no room. I've done it. You know, I've made it so that there is no room in here. So I kept it just in case. I haven't found my bubbler. I've been looking for that and my microphone thing for a while now. Still can't find the bubbler. Finding other things, just fine. So much to do, so little time. I had forgotten to put this in my initial mix, and the box was sitting there. I thought I had used it, so I have actually claimed to use kelp meal in this, but never did. So let's make good on that right now. So I'm gonna put the smallest amount, which is like 2 tablespoons in each one. They already had nutrients, the tomato, oh, the vegetable, that's way too much in that one. That'll be an experiment. Yeah, we did that for 4 vegetable tomato one already, but kelp meal, I wanted it in here. Oh boy, is that gonna smell? I'm glad I brought this in. The prongs are nice and small, so I'm not spilling as much. The biggest one got the smallest amount, I think. I put a little water in everybody already. Could do a little more. It looks like it's covering about half the pot. So I could do like the same amount on the other side or mix it all the way around. Oh, could put more soil in these. Maybe not this one. Where do I put this now? I don't want to get anything else dirt. Where do I put this down? Now I'll just add the rest of the water. So that was like half water and then did all that now. So what's going on? This is on kind of a low setting here. Just feel like it's all not drying fast. And maybe that's just the nature of tomatoes. That the pots aren't drying as fast as the cannabis. But then again, there's also the point of one light. There's just the one. And one little heater. That looks all right, actually. They are different than the other plants. I just know that the nutrients for our plants works great on tomatoes. And it looks like the new leaves over here are coming in pretty good. This is what we want to see. Look at all the flowers. I think I'm all good here. Put this kelp back. Now I have these 3 pots, which I just did a second ago. I get these all upstairs. Can't do it with the camera in my hand. Hold on, I'll get that done. I'll be back. Am I gonna be able to take the stairs, you think? Another couple of years? I don't like trudging all the stairs. Stack. Now I gotta leave them stacked because they're gonna make a mess when I put them down. And this one. Where's the coffee? Oh my gosh. Okay, be right back. Be right back, Billy. Straw toppers for my niece. Gardens for my sister-in-law here. Okay, it's transplant time. Transplant time. Hopefully everybody will fit. 2. I need to fit 2 in here. I think I can. Oh my God. Oh no, what happened here, you? Oh, just on time to do a transplant for this one. It fell over. Oh boy, okay. Injury. You gotta get it in there quick. Stat. I'm so glad I just started this right now. That was a really close call. There. And then I have to make room for one more. Close call. Okay, there's 2 more to do. I don't know if I have room for 2 more pots. That's the thing. Cozy and comfortable. So I'm just gonna put the soil aside. I'll put it back. These other plants don't mind holding on to it for me. There we go. God, I love these AC Infinity bags so much. I just can't ever say enough good stuff about them. They really help make transplants go smoothly. Everything just goes so well. Okay. That one kind of went in at a little bit of a tip. Like, not straight. Okay. Just had to straighten it out a bit. I'm going to put the soil back in and done. Now they definitely need water. The soil beforehand in these pots was always slightly moist. So dry they're kind of slipping around in there. Now spread all of these back out. Did you get broken? A whole ass tablet just fell on this plant. Survived. I don't know how. They're all in a fragile position right now. There we go. The only problem is just going to be like just containing their growth because they're going to want to go crazy. And there's not a ton of room in here. Oh, I better unplug the humidifier and clean that out. And there it is. Whew. Another successful transplant session. Oh, this year it just seemed like a little bit of a struggle to get it all situated and all set to go. But now it is. I'm just gonna look forward to watching those flowers develop. I cannot wait. But there's plenty of other cannabis related things we could do while that's happening. I have a lot of plans for us, a lot of plans for the channel. And so here we go. Yet another awesome episode from December of 2025, but not for long. Really looking forward to the new year coming up. Very much so.